Hello everybody, welcome back to another Rockabilly guitar lesson. I've received a request for a pretty obscure song, If You Call That Love, by the Three Ramblers, which was released in 1958 on the Ozark label out of Michigan. And I think it's a great example for a obscure primitive rockabilly song. So I show you the intro, which is also the outro, and the solo right now. I think it's safe to say that the Three Ramblers were big Johnny Cash fans. They play the song in F just like Johnny did with a lot of his songs, and then the intro already is very similar to the one in Cry, Cry, Cry. It goes like this. So you start on the... I'm using a capo, by the way, to simplify things. And I refer to this fret, the first fret here, as an open string. Yeah, but this is still the third and this is the fifth, so I hope it doesn't confuse you. It starts on the open E string, the first phrase. Open to the third, to the fifth on the E string, then open A string. Fifth fret, third on D, fifth on A, and then third on E, A, open E, and then you finish it off with the fifth, the third, and then open E string. And then you can get back into the Johnny Cash rhythm. And the solo is very similar to the one in Folsom Prison Blues, so they weren't afraid to steal anywhere. And it starts with the first phrase that goes like this. So you start on the 10th fret G string, then you play 8, 9, 10 on the B string, 8 on the E string, 10 to 8 E string, and then 11 to 8 on the E string. One more time from the top. And you shift your hand to this position where you play the 13th fret with your pinky, and you play this run. 13, 11, 10 on the E string, and 13 on the B, and 10 on the B string. The whole run. And back to the first phrase. Just like the first phrase. And then you go back and forth between the 11th and the 8th fret on the E string. And finish off here on the 10th fret B string. What we got so far is this. Then you move your hand again, this time to the 6th fret. You take the 6 with your index, and then 9 with your pinky, and back to 6 on the B string. Then it's an F shape, a small F shape here for the B flat. Index takes the top 2 strings, E and B, on the 6th fret, and the middle finger takes the 7th on the G string. And you play just the chord starting on the G string, E, B, E, and B again. Then still the same chord but a different shape, the C shape, 10th and 11th fret. And this time you start on the E string. So it's E, B, G, E, and B. And then the same strings, and you go back to the F shape. I'm just repeating everything starting with this phrase here on the 6th fret. Then you change to F, which is again the C shape here, which is the top 3 strings. And by the way, I have my index on all the 3 strings here, G, B, and E, and my middle finger on the B string. And here you slow down and you play. G, E, B, G, E, B, and G. Then you play the 3rd fret A string, the C here, 3 times straight. And you pause a little bit and you play. That's when I count with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Open 3rd fret E string and open E string. So let me play the whole solo slowly with a metronome so you get a better idea of the phrasing. 1, 2, 3. Back into the verse.